Welcome back, guys. It's Wes at Clean Stone Construction, and we're out here to do a project update on our vinyl liner retaining wall pool deck project. We checked in about a week or so ago and showed you a little bit about retaining walls. So the purpose today, we're just gonna do a quick run through, let you know what's going on, check in on the progress. Come on back. So you can see it's quite the construction zone. And just to kind of give you a general overview, you can see we've got our liner pool that's already set. We've got our auto cover box over here at the deep end. It's going to get something that's going to make a nice auto cover for safety. It's going to be great for the kids. We've got our retaining wall all on the back end. Let's walk around and take a look. So right here, we've got our trench for our plumbing. So this is where our equipment pad for our pool is going to go. And that'll have a nice enclosure, make it look nice. Not too close to the pool, but not too far away. Looking down here, you can see we've got our beautiful retaining wall. It's gonna have a nice railing on top, nice and safe. It's gonna be here a long time. And you can see we've already got some pavers going in. This product right here, this is a Cambridge product. I really like it. This light, it's sandstone light is the color. Really nice looking color. Great complement to the house. We've got a mocha cap. I mean, everything's coming together very nicely. There'll be a channel drain going through here, which is why we've got this area delineated. And then walking on around here, we can see we've got this nice expansive pool deck going in. This is where the deck, we're gonna have the 2-story deck. That's gonna be amazing. And we've got our new brick columns that we built for the deck. We've got our seating area. The deck is actually going to be over top of us here. It's going to be enclosed, waterproof. There's going to be protection behind us. This is going to be like a little sitting nook. Also just going to be another really cool feature. So that's where we're at. Really excited how it's coming along. I hope you come back and check it out later.